Okay, so students, now for this particular question, I'm not going to teach you. You can see the question says a Doppler flow meter detected a blue shift in frequency while determining the direction of blood flow. What does a blue shift mean and how does it take place? Okay, so normally I'd solve this for you in the questions that we have, but I want you to try something new now. Let AI teach you. And if you use a rich prompt, it won't just give you an answer, it will also explain it to you step by step, give you any analogies, and even test you, right? So I've given you a sample prompt sorry, on the screen, and I've said, I'm a student preparing for my grade 12 physical sciences exams. Please explain what a blue shift means in the Doppler ultrasound. Start with a very simple explanation as if I know nothing, then give me a more detailed explanation with an everyday analogy. Also explain why frequency increases are called blue shifts and decreases are called red shifts. Finally, quiz me with two short practice questions to check my understanding. Okay. I also want to tell you that there is a prize. So once you've tried this, I want you to send me your prompt and as well as your own summary of explaining what a blue shift and a red shift is. You can email me if you are enrolled in the school. You should have my email address. And the first 5 people to do this, having watched the entire playlist as well as completed this video, will get a 100 Rand voucher. Okay. Good luck.